Somewhere deep in the fabric of universe, there may exist a tunnel that does not cross space but folds the space, a tunnel that connects the stars, galaxies, maybe even different times. Yeah, as you know, we are talking about the wormholes, one of the most fascinating possibilities of all science, the mysterious gateways to space and time. Imagine space not as an empty nothingness, but a vast stretchable fabric like rubber. And you need to imagine to travel from one end of the cosmic fabric to other. Normally, you would have to go a long way. But what if I tell you you could just fold the space itself and punch a hole straight through it? That's the idea behind the wormhole. A hypothetical bridge or a tunnel through space and time. A wormhole is a solution to Einstein's equation in general relativity that allows a shortcut between 2 points in spacetime. In 1935, Albert Einstein and Einstein-Rosen first introduced the concept of what now we call wormhole, the Einstein-Rosen bridge. They were studying the behavior of black holes when they realized something strange is happening. In theory, when two black holes could be connected by a tunnel in space-time, but the tunnel is also a kind of wormhole as they just imagined. But it was so unstable as it would collapse instantly. Still, it was the beginning of the wild idea that stretched the limits of physics and imagination. Physicists have proposed several types of wormholes, and the first on the list is Einstein-Rosen bridges. Transversible wormhole, the kind we dream of science fiction, where a ship or a person could safely pass through. Lorentzian wormhole. These might even allow for time travel under extreme conditions. But caution, all wormholes are still theoretical, there is no physical evidence yet. But here is the catch. To hold a wormhole open, you need something science calls exotic matter. Exotic matter isn't weird go. It is a kind of material that has negative energy density. In other words, it bends the space-time in opposite way of gravity. Without this strange material, the wormhole would collapse faster than light could pass through it. Unfortunately, exotic matter has never been found, not in labs, not in nature. And here is one of the major doubts that scientists had during the theory relating wormholes. Does wormhole allow us to travel through time? Maybe yes. Wormholes may not just take you across space, but through time. If one end of the fabric of universe moves at near light speed, it could act as a time machine. But that raises all kind of paradoxes. Like what happens if you go back and stop yourself from entering? And here comes a major question. Are wormholes real? Mathematically yes, physically maybe, experimentally not yet. We have never found one, but the equations of Einstein's general relativity says it possible. And the physicists like Kim Tornay have explored how wormholes might work. And this concept is also explored in the area of cinematography. For example, the movie named Interstellar, the crew used a wormhole to travel to a distant space using the wormhole. Until now, wormholes remains one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. Gateways between worlds, across galaxies, or maybe across time. So if you find this stuff exciting and interesting, please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Science Nexus signing off.